changamoto na majaribu zitakufanya ukate tamaa. Ujana maji ya moto, ndani yake masaibu, ukipotea utalalama. Usiwe sana mpweke, mambo ya kusonge, weka Mungu mbele, mambo yawe shwari. Hey besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chico Paul, and if it's your first time in this channel, karibu sana. If you're returning subscriber, thank you for always trusting in me and coming back to check the channel and the videos. I really appreciate. And to everyone who likes this video or always share this content, I'm sending you all my love dust from here up to where you are right now, and I'm very humbled. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe, and I'll be happy so much. Leave a sweet comment for me so that I can enjoy reading your sweet words. Actually, it's 9:16 a.m. and I decided to take this morning simple routine that I've been practicing it, but it depends with the day and the activities that I am doing. Kama leo, I'm staying in the house. It's on Saturday. Let me just take you along and hopefully you enjoy. Nimeamka like 30 minutes ago, and so that's when I decided to take a video since I've stayed for long without uploading. But it's cause sometimes one always need a break. Yeah, if you have something that inakusumbua and you're battling things in your life, you just need your own time, relax. I have had enough. I have now the energy of getting back here. I decided to host my mom after my dad passed until she feels comfortable getting back to our village house. She's okay to stay as long as she feels like. And leo, luckily mom went to my ushago. She usually visits my village as many times as possible, like naizenda mara kama 3 in a week to see how things are going, and it's always nice anyway. That's why she isn't here. Yeah, hutakanga kwenda mapema juu ameenda kuweka fertilizer kwa majani chai. I usually prefer sleeping in here and naachia mom bedroom. It's not that I can't sleep with her. Yes, you can sleep with her, but I usually feel so comfortable sleeping in this this seat was my first seat after nimetoka hostel, and where I used to stay in a bed sitter, nilikuwa nazimanga kwa kiti nikiwatch. So nikata inaendelea. Now when my sister visits me, she can sleep with our mother. Mi huamkanga, and the first thing to do is that kama ni usiku, I usually leave my phone to charge, but the problem is that mi husahau kuamka kuitoa kwa moto, and actually fear the battery inaweza fura. Most of the time hata kama it's 5%, naikanga simu silent or airplane mode, alafu naweka hapa next to me. Nikiamka tu hivyo, I just open my phone and go through and see what's popping, like a quick 10 minutes or 5 minutes look before doing anything else. I won't tell you that naamkanga naomba nini. No. I'll be lying at first. And before you continue, you can always go to Aiden Olidavi Beauty Parlor. You can follow them in the Instagram page. Yeah. And I get braided there. Yeah, they did the braid actually. They did braid me there. And as you can see, I enjoy it. I'm enjoying it. Ukienda huko, go say Chico Paul sent you there, na utapata my discount. Utalipishwa the same way like any customer anafanyanga. Let me give you the number. 0729292368. 0729292368. They have the best services. Yani I really enjoyed the kutoka kunibomoa nywele, kuniosha. Yani they're just a vibe, and I was so comfortable. And go get the same services na kuja niambie ama they did disappoint you. So what I do, if my phone sija charge, I usually make sure that my power bank imejaa. imejaa mpaka 100. So stima zikipotea, this power bank uzuri ni eti inachargingi mara kama 2 twice, and it's very effective and it's simple, and it has got all the normal charger. You have now this type C, and also you have now the iPhone one. For me, I usually use type C, so niko sorted na unachajianga na hapa. So it's simple. I usually love this, plus it's portable. These inakuanga tu karibu na mimi, like each and every day I make sure nimemaliza ini yote ya maji. As you can see hakuna, so I need to refill this and take water. I usually love taking water. So after I've taken water, now that's the time I calm down. Now relax. After I've taken water, relax, and then tell God something, like a 5 minutes, not a 5 minutes, a 2 minutes prayer or a 1 minute prayer, depending on how I'm feeling. And then I head up directly to the kitchen. I know my mom asha pika chai, asha tengeneza food, so for me it's just warming. So let's go. Since I haven't charged my phone, you go on 14%, I need to use now this and charge it. Subscribe. Things you do to me, baby, I follow you. Things you say to me, every day I fall for you. Things you do to me, baby, I follow you. Things you say to me, every day I fall for you. You are my antidote. You are my antidote. You are my antidote. You are my antidote, baby. You are my antidote. You are my antidote. I didn't do it. So since I'm not eating something, I just love taking milk. It's always my medicine, my everything. I don't want to take chai. There is chai left. Hey mama hataki nikikona, nataka tu nirudishe mwili. Like she feels bad. Aliniambia hivi na Kikuyu, mwen mwanamu no okoro ni ura umeria ihede todudura area. Now this bone like inatokea, like I don't know whether it's visible so much. Niambia I eat juu mpaka here she had cooked ushoro. Ilikuwa imejaa. Yani nitakunywa kwa sababu I want to give myself maybe 3 months so that I can get back to my kgs, because I feel it's 41 kgs. That's so bad. I had no option. I was just feeling bad at that time. I could do anything. I will take milk. My kitchen is a bit tiny. We have to use it regardless, but I then got it serving the purpose. So I'm going to take milk. Mom angekuwa nipikia some eggs. If there is no milk, then I take chai with some bitter biscuits. I love biscuits a lot. I love taking fresh milk. Here Mount Kenya, it helps a lot. Alafu kwa sababu ya hizo mafikira nini, so it happened like nikakuwa napata shida ya like kuchomeka here, or even when I wake up I feel some burning sensation around my neck here and here. Yeah, and I'll be so okay. For me, milk, napenda milk sana. Let me just connect it. Hata mwezi maisha maisha magumu nikatisha tamaa, maisha ikawa ngumu, nikajiona sina thamani, nikakata tamaa, nikajilaumu. Stressy every day, nikajichukia, nikakondeana. Body amekuwa there for me, mami amekuwa there for me, daddy amekuwa there for me, for me. Yeah, yeah. Tujipenda, siku zote za kalenda, nilijua tajipenda, tujipenda, siku zote za kalenda, Yeah, anyway, that's my song. And I love it so much because it speaks of how a bit of my life was. I was facing a lot of things, a lot of challenge, a big challenge, and maybe and that feeling of you don't want to speak it out because you don't want to be judged, and then all this happens again. You lose your dad. Wow, this song is just an amazing song. It is. If you want to see the part 2 of my morning kind of routine, comment down below and tell me if you want to. And because yeah, astaki kwe kubwa sana, alafu mtu maybe aboeke nayo. Just to be short and precise, and tell me what do you think of it and what do you do. For me, let me continue enjoying and sipping this fresh milk. Yeah, and I'm going to leave you with this. No matter the hardship that you're facing through, it's always for a season. Na kumbukanga ile time yenye wengine wako up and you're down, it's a season. Your time itafika, and also utapanda pia, and pia there for them kutakuwa na time yenye pia watakuwa wako down. Usishtuke sana, duge tage mno ne mara uragerera. Sometimes it's just for a season, and everything will be okay. Utile guy don't ya toy. Hakuna kenye unapitia yenye God he doesn't know about it. Keep on believing on yourself. Write down your dreams. Obstacles will be there to harden you and to make you strong. Just be you. Believe in yourself. Trust in the process. Don't give up. Always tell yourself you can do it, and you'll see God's blessing upon you. Always tell God, so continue subscribing, liking, and also share this video, and I'll be very humbled. Toodles, bye till we meet again soonest. Okay, toodles.